Yes, I just want to check that now.
I don't know.
Well, beneath what you see, we have some concerns. For instance, the ad hoc staff that INEC put together were clearly on the APC side. But that's okay. It shows us their hand, where INEC is standing. But it does not deter the will of the people. We believe that with proper monitoring, we'll be able to check the excesses. Because very clearly, all the messages from the governor and the government up to this point indicate that they want to just rig and apply violence where possible to facilitate rigging. But we trust that the people will be able to stand up and we will win.
We heard that some vehicles were burned down in Udupani. Can you give us an insight?
Yeah, the director of my security operations, Bobby Ekpenyong, was moving people home, on Friday for voting today. Just like we all did, our constituents asked us to make vehicles available for them to move to their locations for voting today. And then the vehicles were ambushed. Some were in Odupani and burnt, and people beaten, traumatized. A woman was even shot. It just goes to consolidate the point I have made, that knowing that they would lose these elections, knowing that the people are not with them, the APC strategy has been won and won alone. Do violence and then rig the elections. But people's power is strong enough, and we trust God that such evil plans will not come to pass.
So what's your message now to your supporters as it stands?
They should be calm, they should be firm, they should vote as they are voting, and be vigilant. Protect your results to the ward collation center, and from the polling unit to the ward collation center, and then to the local government collation center until the results are all properly collated and announced.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.